If someone asked me what my favorite tool in the shop was, I'd probably tell him it was my bandsaw, the Grizzly G0513. It has a 2-horse motor and a resaw capacity of 12 inches. I usually use a 3/8 inch blade for general purpose and a 1-inch 2 TPI blade for resawing. This bandsaw is equipped with easy-to-adjust Euro-style blade guides, and the bandsaw gives me free-handing capabilities that I could not get with any other tool, like the little holders I made for my squares in my new hand tool cabinet.